We are going to cover everything you need to know about setting up your iFIT membership, tracking your results, set personalized goals, find the perfect program, and learn all the tips and tricks that can be easy to miss when you are just starting out. Whether you are using an iFIT app, an iFIT connected bike, treadmill, or vault, or any other device, this will be a great beginner's guide for you to get started. My name is Kaylee Roberts. This is Connect the Watts. Now let's get right into it. Let's start with the iFIT membership. If you only plan on using the app, you can download it from the Apple or Google Store, or through your TV-enabled device like an Amazon Fire Stick and receive a free 30-day trial. If you wish to continue after the trial ends, membership currently costs $14.99 a month or $180 per year. This is actually the same cost as an individual membership if you have an iFIT-enabled bike, treadmill, vault, or other device. But typically for these connected devices, people opt for a family plan, which includes up to 5 memberships for $39 a month or $396 a year. However, if you've purchased a new iFIT-enabled device, it should come with a free year of the family membership, and if you purchase additional devices, you will get an additional year of the family membership for each one, which is great and can save you a ton of money if you end up buying multiple products through iFIT. Once you're all set up, it's time to figure out which workout or program to start with. And with thousands of workouts and series to choose from, this can be a tough choice, so let's look at some of the options. Live classes on iFIT have some cool features that you don't see on other platforms, including automatic machine adjustment, so even during live classes, you can choose to have the instructor control your machine settings and resistances so you can focus on just doing your best throughout the workout. Outdoor classes. Yes, iFIT actually has live outdoor classes, so if you prefer the outdoor setting over being in a studio, this is a really cool option that I have never seen anywhere else. And the waiting room. About 10 minutes before a live class, you can join a waiting room with your trainer. Here, you can scan a QR code on your smartphone to text the trainer, and they will often respond to your questions and comments live. Another unique part of iFIT's live classes are that the trainers will often coach several times throughout the day so that you have more options to be able to take a workout with your favorite coach live rather than on demand. If you miss a live class, there's no way that I know of to take it later, but luckily there are thousands of other workouts on demand to choose from. For on-demand classes, you can choose from individual workouts, take part in a design series, or jump into one of the monthly challenges. If you want to find the perfect workout or series for you, make sure to check out the Browse tab where you can filter by coach, location, workout type, and more. If you are looking for a series, make sure you filter by series so that individual workouts don't show up. Now, most iFIT devices also allow you to build your own workout route throughout Google Maps by tapping on the Create tab on the bottom of the home screen. You can search for any area you'd like to explore, and once you've found a destination, tap anywhere on the map to place your marker flags. The first flag pinpoints the start of your route, and the second pinpoints the end of your route. You can also select Close Loop to have your route loop back to the starting point. Once you start your route, you'll be able to see Google images of the terrain, and the incline will adjust as if you're actually exploring the route yourself. Your route will be saved into the My List section on the home screen and can be accessed anytime under the Created Workouts tab. Also, you might consider checking out one of iFIT's several monthly challenges. Click on the Challenge tab and you'll see the monthly challenges available. These are usually a themed group of workouts taken from a variety of previous series. And one of the really cool things about iFIT is that once you complete a monthly challenge, they will actually mail you a special magnet designed for that challenge so that you can collect them on your device, fridge, or wherever you would like. Some people get pretty creative with this. And speaking of rewards, you can also earn a variety of prizes from the iFIT Reward Track, which you can find on your iFIT-enabled device or app under the Challenge tab. At 100 workouts completed, you get a free iFIT shirt, 200 workouts gets you a free month of iFIT, 300 workouts gets you an iFIT flag, 400 workouts gets you a $100 gift card to the iFIT shop, and 500 workouts gets you a free iFIT sweatshirt and a chance to tour the iFIT studio. If you would like to see and analyze your stats, you'll need to log on to the iFIT website. Here, you can see your stats or your FIT score, which is a combination of your workout frequency, calories burned, net calories, workout time, and personal goals. To set a personal goal, click Add under Goals, and you can select a weight goal, running goal, cycling goal, or FIT score goal, which is a strange option since you need to accomplish your personal goal to improve your FIT score. But if you set your personal goal to improve your FIT score, then you're caught in an infinite loop. You know what? It's probably not worth it to hang out on the website for too long until it gets a refresh. So for now, let's talk about scheduling workouts. If you would like to schedule your workouts, you can add a class to your calendar by pressing the Schedule button. Then, if you go into your schedule, you will see all of your scheduled workouts as well as your previous completed workouts. So now that you know the basics, here are 5 more tips and tricks that will really help you out. Number 1, to find all of the series you currently are taking or workouts that you have favorited, click on My List, which can be accessed from the home and browse screens. I know I used to have a hard time figuring out the series I was previously taking until I knew about this. Don't judge me. Number 2. iFIT has 11 music genre stations to choose from during your workouts, at least here in the United States. Currently, anyone outside of the US only has access to 4. To change the music station, press anywhere on the screen during your workout, click Audio and Music Settings, select Music, and then you'll be able to choose your music station. Easy peasy. Number 3. iFIT has a huge library, and while they've made significant improvements throughout this past year to help us sort through it all, they're still missing a lot of what iFIT has to offer. For example, if you would like a stretching class, a Pilates class, a bodyweight strength class, they have a ton. But in order to find them, you are going to need to use the search bar and type them in. Hopefully, there will be filters for all of iFIT's categories coming in the future. Number 4. iFIT has dark mode, which I definitely prefer, but of course you'll need to see what you like most. To change to dark mode, click on Appearance in the menu and you'll be able to switch back and forth. Number 5. The leaderboard, which you will find when using any iFIT-enabled device, you can filter by different metrics like calories, distance, or effort score, and you can filter who is on the leaderboard by gender, age group, and more. Also, if you see a yellow dot on someone's profile, it just means that they paused the workout at some point. You can choose to get rid of it simply by swiping it away. And if you would like to just have the entire screen without any numbers, tap the screen and click Full Screen. There are even more features to cover on iFIT like Smart Adjust and Active Pulse, which are currently only available on the treadmills, but are in beta on other devices. They are awesome, and we'll be putting out videos specifically on them, as well as any new additional iFIT features as they come out. So make sure to subscribe to Connect the Watts to stay up to date on all the latest iFIT information. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you later, iFIT!